Hey, it's Brian and Ken from RackATiers. We've got some fun for you today. We've got the Heat Tank Challenge and new products to show you. So this is our brand new product called the Heat Tank. So you can see on this end here, you can stick in your heat gun. You can stick in up to a 1.5 inch PVC pipe through here. You turn on the heat gun and then it's going to super speed heat your pipe. You'll pull it out, bend to the shape you want. So what we're going to do is in the time it takes for Ken to heat up this piece of pipe and bend it in the heat tank, at the same time he's going to try and bend this conventional way. I'm going to show you as many products as I can on the count of 1, 2, and 3. So 3, 2, 1, go, Ken! Alright, so the first product I'm going to show you is called Mark My Wire. It's a phase marker. You can just go straight down, paint it up with a hole in the center there, or manually on the outside. That's the phase, Mark My Wire phase marker, multiple colors. We also have the U-phase. U-phase in a wider chisel tip now. Great little product, multiple colors. Check out the catalog, check out the online to find out what's available. This product is the Caterpillar Killer. This is called SHIM My Box, new by RackATiers. So you want to put a shim on the your 8/32 screw there, fast and easy. Just cut it to the size you want. You have to slide that right on there. Now you can shim up that device really nice and easy. We also have the reamer bit. This is a cool product from RackATiers for your drill. So you're cutting our pipe. You got your EMT. You cut it. You put in the reamer bit, and it'll ream out those burrs. Take the burrs right off that pipe. Flip it around, drop your connectors on there, and you can see you've got the right bit in there to tighten up your connectors. Now this bit has Phillips and square drive all in the same bit. So you're good to go for when you're going to cut pipe, and whoa, look at that. This is done. Must have like a minute and a half. Really fast. How's this one doing, Kent? Is it even warm? Oh, it's hot, but it's not bending. Alright, I got one more product to show you just quickly. This is the JIMBO by RackATiers, a wire pulling bracket. So you can mount it to multiple things. You can mount it to a ladder. You can mount it to a T-bar ceiling. You can mount it to I-beam. You can mount it to strut. It comes in multiple options here, made out of a milled aluminum. Lots of different ways that you can place in these eye bolts into these threaded holes. You can go straight through, you can go on an angle, you can go on a bend, you can make a corner. Fantastic product, versatile, to get you around those tough holes, and nice transition through there. A handful of products for you. We got the JIMBO, the U-phase, the SHIM My Box, and the Heat Tank, the high-speed pipe bender by RackATiers Manufacturing.